Dropshipping is a business model that has made people millions of dollars, and at the age of 19, I've been able to make $1 million brand. But when you hear the word dropshipping, you probably think of nice cars, nice watches, yachts, nice apartments, all without the work of a 9-to-5 job. But a big problem of a lot of these internet gurus is they don't show the real part of the business, putting in all the work, they only show the result. Not to mention they all hide their secrets behind this business model. And in today's video, I'm gonna be going over all these secrets on how to become an actual profitable dropshipper in 2024. But a quick little announcement before we do start the video. I did shut down my main brand because of legal issues, but I am gonna record a case study including a product reveal on how I did $1 million in revenue in just 90 days. This is gonna go out to all my paid members inside Ecom Club, but once we reach 10,000 subscribers on this channel, I will release it to the public. So press the subscribe button below and let's get started with this video. First point I kind of want to go into is how people say dropshipping is dead.
Is dropshipping dead or is dropshipping dying?
Dropshipping is dying. Dropshipping is dead. Shopify dropshipping is dead.
If you look at e-commerce revenue over the years, it's clearly rising. And at the end of the day, dropshipping is literally just a fulfillment model. If you're even buying on Amazon, that is considered e-commerce. They're just fulfilling it in a different way. And in our case, we're just fulfilling our orders with dropshipping. So dropshipping literally can't die. You guys are just probably hearing this from people that haven't succeeded with the business model or just trying to sway you away from it. Literally people inside Ecom Club are cooking all the time, whether that's getting their first sale or doing their first 3-4K day. But at the end of the day, it's like any other business model and you need to know what you're doing. When you're first starting out, obviously you're not gonna have any success because you haven't put the reps in. And also to all the gurus that say dropshipping is easy, they clearly haven't dabbled inside the business model enough, because if it was so easy, I'd be a billionaire and all you guys would be cooking so hard as well. The problem is a lot of people aren't willing to get educated and haven't put the reps in. That's exactly why they aren't succeeding. A lot of you guys probably also see a ton of people posting their screenshots of their stores and posting their sales for the month for their winning product. And of course I do that from time to time, but what you don't see is the amount of reps we put in behind the scenes. Behind each winning store that people have, there are hundreds and hundreds of failed attempts. Don't be fooled by fast money and thinking that dropshipping is so easy. Everything you do, whether that's in dropshipping or in other business models, take tons of hard work, but I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely not a piece of cake. There's kind of two different avenues you can go along when promoting your products on social media. You can either post organic content online and pray for a viral video, or you could run paid advertising, which is much more consistent. I'm not quite sure why organic dropshipping is so popular. Maybe because it's basically free to start. But if you guys think about it, you're basically new to dropshipping, so you're not quite sure how to make a viral video. Odds are if you start posting on social media 3 times a day, you're not gonna hit a viral video. But let's say you get that lucky breakthrough and you do eventually get that viral video. You make $1,000, but odds are you're not gonna consistently have videos that have millions of views. So that's why I started and always stuck with running ads. You're gonna get way more consistent results and you're actually able to self-diagnose your ads to see what the problem is. I'd much rather have that than have my business in the hands of other social media algorithms. Running ads is actually really straightforward, and that's exactly what we teach inside Ecom Club. Link in description, by the way. So what I really advise for everyone is to get some capital going so you're able to run ads. So stack some cash and invest in some spy tools to find products and surround yourself with a bunch of people doing better with you. So basically joining an ecom community. I'm not gonna lie, it does take a lot of hard work to get into the position I am today at 19 years old. Most of my day consists of me sitting at my desk. Of course, at the end of the day, I go out for nice dinners and I do rent out Lambos once in a while, but that doesn't mean my daily life is exactly that. You need to set priorities based on the goals that you want to achieve. And me personally, I have very ambitious goals, and the way I'm gonna get there is by sitting on my computer and working my ass off. And the one thing that helped me make almost $1 million in the last 90 days is backend flows. And I know most of you guys have no idea what I'm talking about because people do not show this online, but having a really solid backend system is extremely important, and that helped me generate multiple 6 figures in just revenue. What I mean when I talk about backend systems is specifically email and SMS flows. Let's say a customer is actually about to check out on your page, but they never actually do. These flows that you made, whether that's email or SMS, is actually gonna recover your customer and have them purchase. Now, this is extremely powerful because the average conversion conversion rate is around 4%. And if you're able to reconvert at least 20% of people from your email and SMS flows, that's going to seriously increase your conversion rate. And if you never even set up those email and SMS flows, you wouldn't even have the chance to reconvert that customer. So after watching this video, definitely set up those email and SMS flows and watch that conversion rate rise. We do also teach this inside our A to Z course. And if you guys do want to see a typical day in the life of a 19-year-old living in Miami, check out the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button below. And 10,000 subscribers, I am releasing my full $1 million case study video, which includes the product as well. And I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. God, I lost my train of thought there. Yo.